SQL Interview Question and Answer, question number 13. What are the differences between primary key and foreign key in a table in SQL? This question is asking about what are the main difference between two primary key and foreign key in a table in SQL. In previous question number 10, 11 and 12, we have explained primary key, composite primary key and foreign key. In this question, we are just conclude what are the main differences between them. Again, I am going to refer this question 10, 11 and 12. Depending upon this question explanation, there are following differences between primary key and foreign key. First one, primary key. It is used to identify rows uniquely, and foreign key, it is used to establish relationship between the tables. Number 2, primary key doesn't accept duplicate and null value, but foreign key it can accept duplicate and null value as well. Number 3, a table which contains primary key is called parent table. And in case of foreign key, a table which contains foreign key is called child table. Number 4, a table can have only one primary key. And in case of foreign key, a table can have one or more than one foreign key corresponding to different parent table. Number 5, value of the primary key cannot be deleted from parent table. In case of foreign key, value can be deleted from child table. With reference to fifth point, primary key value cannot be deleted from parent table and foreign key value can be deleted from the child table. We have a sample code is given here. That code starts with delete from table name where column name is certain value. Let me use here delete from class underscore A parent table where student ID is 1001. In case of parent table, student ID is primary key. I am going to delete one of the primary key value, which is 1001. When we run this code, then it will display error. Error says integrity constraint violated. That means it has found child record. That's why we cannot delete record from parent table. Let me go to foreign key. When we use delete from billing, that is the child table, where student ID is 1001. In case of child table, student ID is foreign key. I am using same number 1001. When we run this code, then it will display result one row deleted. That means we can delete record from child table corresponding to foreign key. In this way, we can differentiate difference between primary key and foreign key. And we can run this sample code which correspond to fifth point in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. Let me open Oracle developer window and run this simple code. This is Oracle developer window. We have two set of code. First set of code, we are trying to delete a record from primary key where parent table is class underscore A, which has primary key student ID. And from second set of code, we are trying to delete a record from foreign key where child table is billing, which has one of the column which is foreign key, that is student ID. Let me check first of all how many records it has in parent table. We use select star from class underscore A. Let me run this code. It has two records where student ID is primary key. Student IDs are 1001 and 1002. Let me try to delete one of the record, student ID 1001, from parent table. Let me use this code. It throws some error. It says integrity constraint violated. That means it has found child table or child record. That's why we cannot delete from parent table. Next step, let me check how many records it has in child table. We use select star from billing. Let me run this code. It has 4 records where student ID is foreign key. The next step, let me try to delete one of the student ID, which is 1001, from child table. Let me use delete from billing where student ID is 1001. Let me run this code and observe the result. It says one row deleted. That means we can delete record from foreign key, but we cannot delete record from primary key. In this way, we can explain difference between primary key and foreign key in a table in SQL. That's all about question number 13. Thank you.